Traveling doesn't mean skipping your yoga practice. Discover simple and effective morning yoga routines designed specifically for life on the road. Whether you're staying in a hotel, camping, or on a long road trip, these poses help energize your body, improve flexibility, and promote mindfulness. Learn how to adapt your practice to small spaces and use everyday items like a towel or backpack as props. Perfect for beginners and experienced yogis alike, these routines are quick, rejuvenating, and tailored to fit your travel lifestyle. Start your day refreshed, no matter where the road takes you. Transform your mornings on the road with yoga routines designed to keep you refreshed, energized, and stress-free no matter where you are. Traveling often disrupts daily habits, but with these simple and effective yoga sequences, you can maintain your wellness routine even in the smallest of spaces. Learn how to stretch and strengthen your body using quick morning flows tailored for life on the move, whether you're in a hotel room, an RV, or outdoors. These routines focus on improving flexibility, boosting energy, and relieving tension from long hours of travel. Discover how to use everyday travel items like towels, backpacks, or even your suitcase as props to enhance your practice. With tips for beginners and seasoned yogis, these adaptable yoga sessions are designed to fit seamlessly into any schedule. Start your day grounded and centered, ready to take on new adventures, and experience the benefits of mindful movement wherever the road takes you.